Hi, welcome to the latest in smart factory innovations. Scania has been exploring the benefits of using GEPS, Griffin Enterprise Positioning Services from H&D Wireless. With GEPS, we can constantly monitor and manage in real time our fleet of robot tugs and material handling carts used across our factory. We can use this data to optimize utilization of expensive assets, improve efficiency while ensuring safety and security of our employees. Tracked items are visualized in easy-to-use software on PCs, tablets and smartphones. Besides position, we can monitor the condition of the tracked asset, letting you know if it has been dropped or exposed to extreme temperatures. Worker productivity is increased because they can quickly locate the necessary tools for proper assembly using GEPS Equipment Dashboard. Less time is wasted as the factory keeps humming and throughput increases. GEPS is not just for monitoring things, it can be used for people too, by having them wear vests that can be individually tracked. GEPS technology and visualization dashboard allows the factory floor to be flexibly configured into geo-fenced zones so that alarms can be triggered to ensure safety compliance and security within the factory. Please contact H&D Wireless to discuss how GEPS can help you take your smart factory to the next level. Thank you.